Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and BJP National President JP Nadda will attend the swearing-in ceremony. Chief Ministers from 16 other states will also be present, keeping the Prime Minister's security in mind. His helicopter will actually land directly at Gandhi Maidan. After disembarking from the helicopter at Gandhi Maidan, the Prime Minister will go directly to the stage where Nitish Kumar will take oath as the Chief Minister. So we can clearly see that this entire ceremony will actually be held at the iconic Gandhi Maidan, and now the Prime Minister, who is expected to actually attend this ceremony, he will land at this iconic stadium directly in a helicopter, and straight from the helicopter he will make his way to the stage. That will be a historic moment in itself. Because of security reasons, this action has been taken, these measures have been taken. He will actually directly land at the Gandhi Maidan. There have been provisions for helicopter landing at that Maidan, and from there the Prime Minister will actually disembark from the helicopter and then head towards the stage. Apart from the Prime Minister, we are also going to expect Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and BJP National President JP Nadda to attend the event. रितेश, आपको क्या मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? We are going to try to reconnect with Ritesh. However, these are the basic details of the entire ceremony that is going to take place over here in Bihar today, a very historic day. And apart from, like I mentioned, Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and BJP National President JP Nadda, we are also expecting that Chief Minister from 16 states, all BJP ruled 16 state chief ministers are also expected to be present at this grand swearing in ceremony. So this is going to be, since this is going to be a very historic day for Bihar, we are expecting the number of people who are attending this iconic ceremony to also be large. So we are expecting chief ministers from at least 16 states to be present for this swearing in ceremony, apart from the Prime Minister, the Defence Minister and the Home Minister. Remember that this is Nitish Kumar's 10th. Joining me on the broadcast is is Rakesh Singh, Managing Editor, ITV Network. So we want to understand this iconic historic day that is going to take place in Bihar today. We are going to see Nitish Kumar swearing in as the Chief Minister for the 10th time. So this is the biggest news of the day. This entire ceremony will actually take place at around 11:30 a.m. This is expected to take place at 11:30 a.m. Remember, a lot of other ministers are supposed to be supposed to attend the swearing-in ceremony as well. All right, joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Shailendra Kumar with more details on this. Shailendra, हम अभी बात कर रहे थे कि आज 11:30 बजे बहुत ही हिस्टोरिक दिन रहने वाला है बिहार के लिए गांधी मैदान पे, जहां पर नीतीश कुमार आज 10th टाइम के लिए he will be sworn in as the chief minister.
जी बिल्कुल, शपथ ग्रहण के लिए नीतीश कुमार अभी जिस स्थल पर हम लोग मौजूद हैं उसी स्थल पर यानी कि गांधी मैदान में अभी मॉक ड्रिल चल रहा है, रिहर्सल चल रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री को आना है। प्रधानमंत्री चूंकि जो एयरपोर्ट से हेलीकॉप्टर से आएंगे गांधी मैदान तक, तो वहां के लिए भी तैयारियां चल रही हैं। और एक तौर से कह सकते हैं कि अभी जो चीजें हैं वो धीरे धीरे जो है वो कहें कि तैयारियां जो हैं अंतिम रूप उनको दिया जा रहा है। हम कोशिश करेंगे आपको दिखाने की किस तरह से जो यहाँ पे तैयारियां जो है वो हो रही हैं। जो सरकार चूंकि गठन होना है, आज सरकार का गठन होना है, उसको लेकर तो ये कह सकते हैं कि ये पूरी व्यवस्था, पूरी तैयारियां जो है गांधी मैदान में हो रही हैं। और कह सकते हैं कि अभी थोड़ी देर बाद जो यहाँ अतिथियों का आना शुरू हो जाएगा। आम लोग हैं, आम लोगों के लिए भी यहाँ पे चूंकि बड़ी व्यवस्था यहाँ की गई गांधी मैदान में, और आज जो है शपथ ग्रहण का जो समारोह है वो 11:30 बजे से शुरू होगा। तो ये पूरी स्थिति है गांधी मैदान की, या कहें कि जो चीजें वो चल रही है, तो साफ तौर पे है कि अब जो गांधी मैदान पूरी तरह से तैयार है नए शपथ ग्रहण के लिए, यानी 10वीं बार जो शपथ ग्रहण मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार लेने जा रहे हैं, उनका मंत्रिमंडल लेने जा रहे हैं।
जी बिल्कुल, शैलेंद्र हमारे साथ बने रहे। इन फैक्ट जॉइनिंग अस ऑन द ब्रॉडकास्ट इज आल्सो राकेश सिंह, द मैनेजिंग एडिटर ऑफ द ITV नेटवर्क। मिस्टर सिंह, वी वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड अ वेरी हिस्टोरिक डे, बहुत ही हिस्टोरिक डे है आज बिहार के लिए भी, और ये जो स्वेरिंग इन सेरेमनी हो रही है 10वीं बार, ये बहुत बड़ी नंबर के साथ भी हो रही है सर। थंपिंग विन इन दी असेंबली इलेक्शंस, दोनों बीजेपी और जेडीयू को बहुत ज़्यादा सीटों के साथ मेजॉरिटी मिली है, तो इससे और भी इम्पोर्टेंस ऐड हो जाता है ये 10वीं बार जो स्वेरिंग इन हो रही है नीतीश कुमार जी के लिए। All right, I believe we've lost that line with Mr. Rakesh Singh. However, we will try to reconnect with him. Remember that all of this started with back-to-back meetings when people were actually deciding, both the parties were deciding who their leaders will be and their legislative parties. And we saw that Samrat Chaudhary and Vijay Kumar Sinha were also elected as the leader and deputy leader of the BJP legislator party, while Nitish Kumar was elected for JDU. Now, in a sign of the high profile anticipation surrounding